made to fall in love. Let's take a look at what Valentine's Day activities are available. This Valentine's Day, we have selected the product for weight loss, body shaping, breast enhancement, and Botox enhancement as your gift. This discount event offers a minimum $200 minus $30 discount and maximum $2,000 minus $300 discount. Buy more, get more discounts. Don't you feel excited? This event will only last for 18 days, so hurry up and choose a gift for your loved one. We will launch the Valentine's Day activity in 2024 on February 1st, inviting you to enjoy this event and choose a gift that will make your partner beautiful and slim. Don't forget to promote it to your family and loved ones. These exclusive deals are too good to miss. Like, share, and subscribe for more beauty updates. Until next time, stay